In this video, I'll show you how to recover your GCash account. First, open the GCash app and go to the login screen. If you still have access to your mobile number but you forgot your MPIN, tap Forgot MPIN. Request the code, enter the 6-digit OTP, complete the security check, and set a new MPIN. GCash says this is the standard recovery flow when you can still receive the verification code. If your phone or SIM was lost or stolen, the process is different. GCash advises reporting it immediately to help protect your account and funds. From the app's login screen, open the Help Center and use the support options there, especially for urgent account access or security concerns. If you need to move your funds and services from your old GCash account, GCash says you can open the app, go to the login screen, tap Help Center, choose Transfer Funds and Services, then chat with Gigi and follow the steps inside the app. You can also submit a support ticket through the GCash Help Center and check updates later under Profile, Help, then Tickets.